Hi, I'm Specialist Matthew Peters from Owensville, Missouri. I just came back from a year-long deployment in Kuwait and Iraq, and I'm here at Washington West today to surprise my son Blake. We haven't seen each other since February, so I'm super excited. I know he's going to be too.
Did you hear what he said last night?
Yeah.
Christy sent me a text message. He's like, it's still 11 days away.
11 days
Yeah.
before my
He's like, what day is it today?
I was talking to him on the phone. I said, hey, they finally told us like the 25th.
Yeah.
I said, but I don't think I'm going to talk to you this weekend. You got so much going on, so. Come here.
This is Blake Peters' dad, and he just came home from Kuwait for helping serve our country, so let's give him a round.
So Blake, tell me, how does it feel to have your dad home?
Very good.
Were you surprised?
Yo, squad, what's poppin'? If you ain't subscribed to Team Hackers, what are you doing? Go subscribe and click that subscribe button. Peace out.